Ori Shelter, with almost 6 square meters of livable surface, is a one-to-one scale prototype, which aims to tackle issues of homelessness and housing in South Africa, with the specific eye on the South African Reconstruction and Development Program. Ori Shelter is a product of research and combines origami and digital fabrication in the context of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. I started my master thesis in 2022, trying to combine the art of folding techniques together with the computational modeling and a critical thinking approach towards manufacturing. I've always been very fascinated by origami growing up. But when I started my industrial design studies, this interest has consistently grown because I had the opportunity of observing the math, physics, geometry, and sometimes even simple coding behind origami. Therefore, Ori Shelter really represents this passion and tries to tackle social innovation issues, which brings me to the context in which Ori Shelter is born, because I had the opportunity of doing my postgrad study at the University of Johannesburg in South Africa. And within the Department of Industrial Design, as an Italian industrial designer, I really had the chance of measuring myself with realities that were far away from everything I've ever experienced till then. Sometimes even the simple lack of electricity throughout the day, or the lack of simple production tools or facilities or infrastructures. Ori Shelter, therefore, really has evolved from a simple combination of origami and digital fabrication to a bigger purpose that can be defined as origami for social innovation. As a master thesis outcome, Ori Shelter starts from a theoretical framework based on the revised Bloom taxonomy, metacognition, and other design theories, such as action design research and less is more. This shelter doesn't aim to be a final model or a finalized product. It aims to start a conversation about emergency realities all around the world, and it gives us the possibility of bringing awareness. Ori Shelter has been developed through a reverse engineer program. So from a simple grasshopper code, then an unflattened surface, we were then able to build this one-to-one scale prototype using reused materials and recycled materials. Therefore, Ori Shelter is a critical example of a different design thinking approach and a diverse production process.